Hey everyone, Joshua14 here with a quick unboxing of the Surface Pro X signature keyboard with Slim Pen, as well as the Surface Pro X. So, let me move around the camera here real quick. And literally all you get is the keyboard with the pen attached. And a little card that says attach your signature keyboard to your Surface, place your pen in the charging tray to wake it up, and a bunch of parts of this device are magnetic. So that is that. The main event here is the Surface Pro X. I got the 128 gigabyte SSD, and in typical fashion, here is the device in the coating. I have not undone matte black in all its glory. Alrighty. And power button on the right here. Get it booted up. We have the Surface Pro X little manual here, and thankfully we do have a SIM tool included. And then we have our charger, which it has the Surface Connect ports, and this is also a 65-watt charger. So, alright guys, well, going to be including a lot of content here on the Surface Pro X, so stay tuned for more. Thank you.